The magic of sharing. Once upon a time in a colorful town, a boy named Sam loved collecting shiny marbles. He had a big jar filled with them, but he never shared with anyone. One day, a little girl named Zoya saw Sam playing and said, "Wow, your marbles are so pretty. Can I play with one?" Sam shook his head. "No. These are mine." That night, Sam dreamed his marbles turned dull and gray. He heard a tiny voice say, "Happiness grows when you share." The next day, Zoya was playing with her beautiful kite. Armin admired it and wished he could fly it too. Zoya smiled and said, "Want to fly it together?" Sam nodded and said, "Only if you play with my marbles." From then on, Sam and Zoya shared their toys and had twice the fun. Sam realized the voice was right, sharing made everything brighter. Moral: sharing brings happiness to everyone.